Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS, the ultimate sports car experience. Porsche's iconic 911 range has seen a series of evolutions over the years, and the 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS is the most recent of these. It combines tremendous performance with classic style. With a turbocharged 3.0-liter flat-six engine, the GTS model is capable of producing an amazing 473 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds in this configuration. For purists who are looking for a more hands-on driving experience, this performance beast is offered with an option between Porsche's PDK automatic transmission and a conventional 7-speed manual transmission. Additionally, Porsche's renowned adaptive suspension technology is included in the 2025 Carrera GTS. This system provides drivers with great handling and a ride that is more comfortable. With enhanced aerodynamics and contemporary modifications, it is a head-turner on the road thanks to its design, which embraces the original 911 profile. The interior of the vehicle offers opulent finishes with Alcantara accents, cutting-edge technological capabilities, and an entertainment system that is simple to use and incorporates Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time navigation. Due to the fact that the Carrera GTS is not merely a sports vehicle, but rather a well-balanced machine that is suitable for both daily drives and thrilling track days, it is an excellent option for anyone who are passionate about driving.